Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to save contact from device to Gmail account. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, to save your contacts from your device to your Gmail account here, you just have to make sure that your phone is already synchronized with the Gmail, guys. To check it, you just have to go to this Gmail account and now go ahead to this three lines icon, scroll it down until you find here the settings options. And after, just choose and select your account that you want to synchronize it. For example, for this third Gmail account on my phone, and as you can see, for my account is already synced Gmail, guys. For the Gmail is already synchronized with the phone. And then for the details, for your contact synchronized, just go ahead to your settings on your phone and now scroll it down until you find here the users and accounts. And after, go ahead to this Google. Now just select your account that you want to synchronize, guys. For example, I'm going to open my third Gmail account. And as you can see, there are a contact. So if you want to save your contacts from device to your Gmail account, you just have to make sure that your contacts is already synchronized like this until it will be a checklist beside it. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.